Welcome to Active Learning. So, in the previous video, we have discussed about the components of Android application. Now, let's discuss this topic in detail. Let's start. Earlier, we have mentioned that XML and KOTLIN language are used for developing front end and back end. But what are these languages? We don't know anything about them? Don't worry, we will discuss about them in detail. So first, what is XML? XML stands for Extensible Markup Language, which enables a user to define his or her own markup language. XML consists of tags which can store information to be presented as an output on the device screen. Now, what is KOTLIN? KOTLIN is statically typed programming language based on Java Virtual Machine. It has been announced as the fundamental language for developing Android applications. I hope you have got the basic idea about what these languages are. In the next video, we will discuss about the platform where we can code these programming languages. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching our video.